nap, and Mommy wouldn't let me. Mommy wouldn't let me. It's frustrating because he'll just fall asleep on the boob,
Yeah.
and he needs to eat. So I don't know when to wake him up, and I don't know. Look at that face.
How you talking? How you talking? Yeah.
Hey. Are you a superstar? Are we your paparazzi? No paparazzi. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. I'm gonna get some more.
Green shirt's sweet.
Kaden. Hey, Kaden. Oh, Kaden. 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 Where's Kaden?
I gotta go up one.
Gotta go up.
gotta get happy.
Gotta go up. Oh, what are you saying? What are you talking about? What are you talking